Hi friends. Okay, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so this is my Fairyloot unboxing. Okay, so this is the November box. I got this last week and I just have not opened it, so today I am unboxing. And so this is, I hate when that happens. This is how we start, as per usual, and things always fall out as usual, so that is amazing. Amazeballs. Alright, so here is my spoiler card, and hold on as I get this together. Alright, so here's my spoiler card, and as always I follow along as to this, what is on this card, and that's what I pull out. So this month, well, not this month, last month, November's, this is because this is November's box, they are behind due to COVID issues, so this is November's box. And the theme is enemies to lovers. So yes. Alright, so the first thing is, we are so excited to present you with this stunning Jude, is this it? Yes it is. This stunning Jude in carton tote bag. We've partnered with talented Rosie Thorns 88, who has done an incredible job designing this portable, one of our absolutely favorite enemies turned lovers, Carden and Jude from the Folk of Air series by Holly Black. And it's the same on both sides. And this cute tote bag, that is the what is it called? The Folk of Air series. That is the Cruel Prince, then Wicked King, and then it was Queen of Nothing. Yes, so those are the 3 books in the series, in case you were wondering and you didn't know. But anyway, yes, so that's the tote bag. Super cute. And there we go. Put that to the side. The next thing we have is, oh, okay. We have, next item is the literary scrunchie featuring a beautiful quote from Shatter Me by Tahara Mafi, brought to you by Fairyloot. There is nothing better than a bookish spin on a useful item. That is very true. I have no idea. Oh, wait, let's see. Oh, okay, so I guess it repeats. So that's what it looks like. And this is the scrunchy part. I guess you can take the knot out. Let me see if I could read what it says. Books are easily destroyed, but words will live as something. Hold on. See if I can get complete sentences, please. Hold on. Oh, this is a long quote. Okay, hold on. Let's see. I want to read it. It says, books are easily... No, I have no idea then. Then it says books are easily de-words. The words will live. I don't. Okay. That doesn't make sense. But words will live, people can remember them. What? That doesn't make any sense. Okay. It's like this half, they just put words in any kind of order that they chose. Books are easily destroyed, but people can remember them. Oh, but as long as people can remember them. Something. Oh, words. Oh, okay. So books are easily destroyed, but words will live as long as people remember them. Okay. So I'm assuming that's the quote. Next is I guess this. Okay, yeah, this is it. Not a fan of having your bag that most definitely contains your precious books being on the floor. Me. We got you. In this box, you'll find a bag hanger with a beautiful design by Tara T.J. inspired by The Wrath of the Dawn by Renee Ahdieh. You can carry this nifty device with you and hook it to most flat surfaces, and voila, you have a safe spot to hang your bag from. Focus. It's a dagger. The flower and a dagger. Okay. Cute. Okay. Next is, so now they have like this I don't know what you want to call it, like these little pieces, like wood chip pieces in the boxes now, which is terrible because it just sticks to every freaking thing. It just sticks to everything. It's the worst. Whatever. Anyway, so now we have this. Okay. We love including bookish scarves, me too, in our boxes. This one is designed by the talented Jers Hawks and features a quote from A Song of Wraith and Ruin by Roseanne A. Brown. Wouldn't want you to get chilly on your way to the library. And the quote says that I'm upside down. That's great. Okay, so let's try that again. Okay, hold on. It says, come and gather as story is about to begin. Oh, a story is about to begin. Duh. And then that's the author. This is cute. I like this scarf. Very cute scarf. I had it upside down. Silly me. Okay. The next thing is okay, so the next thing is, yes, I think, yes, okay. So next thing is, we are so happy to include a set of foil bookmarks. We worked with the amazing Raksha.art, I probably said that wrong, to bring you some of our favorite couples, and we took them out of their typical fantasy setting and into a modern world. We love the results and we hope you do too. I do. They're cute. The fandoms featured are Serpent and Dove by Shelby Maharan A Court of Thorns and Roses by Sarah J. Maas. The Iron Fae series by Julie Kadawa, and our book of the month.
Could you say it again, please?
Mind Your Effin' Business, Siri.
That's not nice.
Then why are you in my conversation? How about that? See, this is why I don't like Siri. Why is she in my business? I didn't ask her anything. Anywho. So here's Lou. Oops, too close. So that's Lou, and Reed is on the back. And then this is Freya, sorry. Freya, and this is Rashawn. I think that's how you say it. Anywho, okay. I don't, oh, I got two more. Okay, I'm like, wait, I don't understand. Got you. Alright, so it's 4 of them. Got it. Okay, so this is Megan and Ash. And then this is Juliet and Roma. Okay, what series is that from? Oh, okay, our book of the month. Duh. Okay, so that's cute. Oh, these are cute. These are really cute. Okay, let's see. Spread it out, all the girls. And then flip it for the boys. Alright. Cute. Okay. Next is the last item is a reusable phone screen cleaner. It features a bookish design by Tara TJ and is inspired by Angel Fall by Susan E. And that's what it looks like because it was upside down. That's cute. Very cute. Okay. And this month's featured tarot cards are boom, baby. Page and the Page and the Knight of Swords. Did I do it right? Yep. Nope. Page here, Knight of Swords here, I think. Nope. That says 8 of Swords and Knight of Swords. Ooh. Okay. They give me false information. False information. That is fake news. Alright. So they are designed by the talented at Arts 28 and inspired by the House of Earth and Blood by Sarah J. Maas. And now our book of the month is, I already know what it is because I guessed it from when I did the October unboxing because I had already received the book for my book of the month subscription. And when I read what the book was, I was like, oh snap, I already know what it is because I already own the book. So yeah. However, this one has sprayed edges and I love sprayed edges. You know how I love me some sprayed edges, child. So this is what's inside. And this is super cute art. And oh, this is the letter. And of course, an annotated chapter. So I just showed you what the book was. So that's excellent of me. Okay, let's see. So fairy scoops, enemies to lovers. Let's check the scoop. So we have an author interview, and they ask questions like, what inspired you to write the story? Did you have any special research for the story? Can you tell us about your writing process? What was your favorite scene to write and why? And did you listen to any particular songs, playlist while you wrote this? Most authors, Yeah, most authors love to listen to music. I know I love listening to music, but that's beside the point. Let's see. And what did you find most challenging about writing this book? And what can you tell us about the sequel? Oh snaps, there's going to be a sequel. Okay. So then this is an exclusive design. And then they're going to have a read along. And it's going to be January 11th if you want to join in. And for more details, along with the exact reading schedule, it'll be published on community.fairyloot.com a few days before. So that is January 11th, 2021. And I'll have a read along for this book. So if you want to join in, you can. So I guess that'll be the perfect time to read it. So for December, to finish out the year, they are the December book is Thick as Thieves. Well, the theme is Thick as Thieves, and it says no expression can describe real close friendships better than Thick as Thieves. And this theme is all about stories. Shoot, had a bug crawling on me. Okay. Anyway, that just ruined my reading. Okay. No expression can describe real close friendships better than Thick as Thieves, and this theme is all about stories with groups of friends or found families that go on adventures, share secrets, and get up to all sorts of shenanigans, which might sometimes even involve saving the world from imminent doom. You can expect items inspired by The Hobbit, Thorn of Glass, Children of Blood and Bone, and The Raven's Boys. We are thrilled to reveal that this box will include the next secret story, by Novertale. I think it is stunning. And it will also include a calendar for 2021. Awesome. With beautiful character artwork for each month. Can't wait. Our featured book of the month is filled with fae, sinister sorcery, and gallows of humor. Okay. This ragtag crew of reluctant heroes has to take on a world-ending fae prophecy and a malicious royal plot. This Fairyloot exclusive edition will have shimmery, sprayed edges artwork on the reverse dust jacket, a foil design on the hardcover, and signed in papers. So I can't wait. Yay! Alright, so that's awesome. So I showed that, but okay, so here is the bookmark. I love the bookmarks. And here is the book. Dun, da, da, da. So the book of the month is These Violent Delights by Chloe Gong. And this is the spray edges. It's a cute pink. A beautiful pink. Ooh, this is cute. So they have the exclusive sticker. Signature sticker. And here's the artwork. And this artwork is super cute. This looks like a Bonnie and Clyde more than... Oh, she graduated from Pennsylvania, University of Pennsylvania. Anywho, so this is set in 1926 and it's Shanghai. And I think this is supposed to be inspired by Romeo and Juliet. So it's a Romeo and It's a Romeo and Juliet retelling. And if you are a fan of City of Brass and Descendants of the Crane, this is a good story for you. And mobsters. It has mobsters, people, mobsters. I'm just saying, come on. And then here's an annotated chapter. The masquerade scene. I guess you have to read the book to know what that is. So it's just basically her thoughts, I guess, as she read it or reread the book. So yeah, you can see the pencil in things, which is pretty cool. All right, so that is it for the Fairyloot box for November. Super excited. I can't wait to dive into this book. Oh, so let me show you the book of the month one. I mean, it's just plain, but if I have it. Oh. All right, so this is the book of the month, and this is the Fairyloot. Which one do you think is cuter? Yes, I think the Fairyloot one is cuter as well. And look, oh, same height. So yeah, book of the month is just plain. It's plain, but yeah. So that's it. And then the difference is the spine. I like the book of the month spine. This spine is cute. This one is just very plain, but that's okay. Yeah, but that's okay. I'm okay with that. So that is it for my Fairyloot unboxing, and I can't wait to see what December's book is. I'm kind of excited. So hopefully that won't come. Hopefully I don't have to wait till January. Hopefully it'll just come at the end of December, but honestly, who knows? So yes, that is all for, I'm just gonna go ahead and throw that away because yeah. Anywho, but thank you for watching. Till next time.